Let's speak about a European company, particularly an Italian one. So it's QTI, Quantum Telecommunication Italy. So the name gives you the idea what we do. Essentially, uh, essentially, we design and produce quantum key distribution systems for telecom operators, private companies, government, defense, many market verticals. We think that one of the most important market segment of this kind of things is, for example, the critical infrastructure and the finance market. But coming back to the company, you see a map of Italy here in this slide, showing that we are present essentially in two sites, where we have the quarter and the production in Florence, but in Rome we have marketing and business development, and our shareholding is the largest telecom operator in Italy, which is TIM, through the control company TLC. We are quite a young company, basically R&D based, and we do a lot of work also on the R&D stuff because apart the standard components and product, we think that for this kind of market, we still have to all work together. This is why we are in this beautiful panel, just to try to collaborate not only in Europe but also in the United States around the world. On this picture, in this slide, you see our products. So we have in the top part of the picture our key distribution machine that is called QED-C. It's a discrete variable quantum key distribution system based on BB84. We do make time-bin encoding, and it is absolutely pluggable to telco-grade systems, both on dedicated fibers or to conventional and already turned on fiber optical cables where there's, for example, WDM traffic. So we do work in WDM. We work also in complex network because we have the possibility to integrate the so-called quantum key management entity, which is this box in the middle. And let me do, okay, this one. And this system is totally compatible with the ETSI standards regarding the QKD and also the Cisco SCIP. We of course can work with the other vendors, so demonstrating also the compatibility of this kind of things with the other QKD vendors. We have also the possibility to integrate the software-defined network capabilities on all these kind of machines. Just to show you what we have done, just a slide. You see that we work recently in the G7. Maybe someone of you knows that this is the year of Italy as G7 nation. So we made a quantum key distribution link between two places of the G7 last summer, sorry. But just coming back to more telecom TLC, let's say, word, we can mention something that we have done in Athens recently, where we made a QKD link between two data centers in the city of Athens in Greece. And there we were working inside a man ring. We made also a lot of work and jobs with the defense in Europe, but we can say also that we have done in the United States territory. So, for example, in 2023, we worked with the US Air Force for an experimental demonstration that was a very good success in the desert in Arizona. We of course work with all the European environment of the Euro QCI. I mean, it's a very huge, big project in Europe, but probably the most important things that we have done is that we installed commercial grade system in all these places that you see in the right part, in the bottom right of the slide, of this slide. So essentially, I finished. I would like to just to say that we see a perfect interoperability and complementation between post-quantum cryptography algorithms and quantum key distribution. And we are looking really fostering technological integration with other partners in around the world. So thank you very much.